Hello, I want to give you a short walkthrough through my new project. It's burn that site, and you can get a roast of your website with really good feedback. It's very honest and funny. So put your name here, your email address, accept everything, send my free roast, and shortly you're getting an email. It takes usually about 30 seconds to go through this N8N process. And this N8N process I will show you now. This website is made with Bolt.new, very easy to do even without coding knowledge, but coding knowledge will always help. It's then super easy. Here the data is coming through a webhook. Here's my website, my first name, last name, email address, and which language I want to have. The other possible language is German. Um, then it deleted old entrants from the blocked list. Then it will check the whitelist. If it's in the whitelist, you can have as many rows you want. If not, and you are blocked, then it gives you an error message like here, too many requests, please wait and try later. You have only one rows per day. If everything is okay, I will create a new entry in the database, then create a block entry in the database, and get a response back to the website. And then the real rows start with the next N8N um, uh, workflow. And here's the other N8N workflow started. You can trigger it manually or by time or through this webhook, what we have now. The first thing is getting the entrance from the database, then loop over all items in the database who are not finished, then put the name and everything in the newsletter, then check if it's uh, English or German, move this person in the right newsletter. Then here, this HTTP request, getting the website, and if this HTTP request doesn't get any results, I tried because of some blockers, tried with Firecrawl, and this is good against these blockers and give me the website. Then I set it to this if statement. This means if the website is too big, like example half a megabyte, then I have to make out of the website markdown because it's too big for the LLM. Otherwise, I put the whole website into this LLM with this prompt and get my result back, make a markdown out of this, then check if it's English or German and put it into the HTML file and send it by email. If there is any error, I log this in the database and run it every half an hour. If there is an error, for example, there is no internet or the email is not working or the LLM is not working, then every half an hour I have this again. I do it here. So even if something gets wrong, you get your email. What do you think about the project? It's for free. You can try it and let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, like and subscribe. See you at the next project. Bye bye.